what's happening. So we're out in the garage and we're filling some holes. So we're over here, I got these pieces I was making cribbage boards out of, and for whatever reason, this wood, this batch, I ended up with all of these little holes. I don't know if you can see that real well. You can see these ones pretty good. So I just kind of took them and threw them up on the wood rack, and I was like, damn it, I'll make something else out of them. But then I came across this product over here. It is a UV clear resin. And so I thought I'd give that a try at filling it. And so I've done this one over here, and it's working really good. Actually, so I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. So this is a tool I'm using to apply the UV resin. So it's kind of multi-purpose. The first thing I can use, this is just a little pick tool. But the first thing I do is go inside of these bubbles and scrape them. You're gonna rough that up a little bit, because those bubbles in the epoxy are gonna be all smooth on the inside, and you want to put a little tooth for this to grab on so it doesn't pop out. So we just kind of scrape these around a little bit and rough them up. So once we've done that, all I do is I take the tool and I just dip it and get a little drop on there. Come back over. Alright, so we've touched up all our little spots. It came with a little UV light. So you just take it and you hold it on there. If you hold it on there for 10 seconds, something like that, it's cured enough where you're not going to wipe it around and it's not going to be messy. And then I'll take it and put it outside and fully cure it, because it'll cure in the sun too. So you could go straight to throwing it outside. I'm doing this because it's a rainy day out. So I'm going to let this sit until it stops raining, and then I'll take it outside and fully cure it. So it finally quit raining, so we got it outside sitting in the sun. So we'll come back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. We got everything fully cured. I put those two back there so I can slide this up against when I'm using my card scraper. Here we go. I can't even tell where that was. All right, so we fast forward a couple of days. Here's the finished cribbage board. You can see right here, that's one of our bubbles that's filled in. Down over here, here's one, and here's one. So all the big ones, like some of the teeny tiniest ones, didn't quite get filled all the way in. You kind of see like that little tiny pocket right there. But that's pretty small. These holes are 1/8 of an inch, so that's almost minuscule. I'm not worried about those. So anyway, there it is. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope it's useful. Stay safe. Later.